Welcome to ChopChopChef. Today I like to show you a version of a fried onion ring. Now there's many options what you can do. Obviously you can do them through a batter, you can crumb them in breadcrumbs, or like my first version today is we just flour them. Yeah? So first thing first, let's do them just the simple way in egg wash and flour. Therefore I have a brown onion. Easy, right? So when I cut the onion rings, don't cut the rings too thin, yeah? So cut a nice, because you want to have a nice decent okay, the first one, let's put that on the side, and then here we go. Yeah, so 1/2 centimeter, as you can see, right? Cut a few rings, like that. Okay, that will do the trick, right? We put this one back, and now obviously we want to take the individual sort of rings out, yeah? Not the core part. What we are interested in is this little things, right? Okay, and depends for what you want the onions, you know, what you use it for. I tend to use sort of the nice sort of medium size. Yeah, beautiful. And yes, maybe some say, oh, so much waste. No, that's not waste, right? We can use it for murba, for your vegetable stock, for any sauces, whatever. Yeah, bucket garni, anything you wanted. All right, look, very simple. I just do a few onion rings today. Yeah. Then we need an egg wash and flour. When I use my just simple plain flour, yes, I put a little bit of cayenne in here. I put in mine a little bit turmeric, and then a little bit of a coarse salt. So the seasoning is already all there. Yeah. Of course, now we have to mix it nicely. Hello. Yeah. So this is obviously vital as well, that all sort of the spices get nicely mixed into your plain flour. Okay. Okay, so we got that one sorted. Yeah, mise en place is always variety here. And then we're needing a egg wash. Easy. 1 egg, it's good, okay. Okay, so eggs are nicely done. It's well good. And now, in this case, we're using our onion rings, putting them in the egg wash first, and then we're putting them into the flour. Okay? All right. So here we go. Then put them in the flour. We can put a few in there. Let the egg sort of just, yeah. Make sure it's not like that. Let's do this lot first. Yeah. Really put them nicely through the flour, and then when you take it off, you want to make sure do it like this, you know. That's what you want to achieve. Yeah, not that the flour is all over the place. Okay, let's get this other few out, and then obviously we have to go on the stove, right, and fry them. Simple. But to do that, we first have to wash our hands, right? Just 1 second. Okay, so we're taking our onion rings, and then we're going on the stove here, and we're heating up our frying oil to say 170, 180 degrees. Now, I mentioned to you before, okay, if you have a probe thermometer, it's nice, obviously makes it easy. Otherwise, if you feel, oh yeah, this is hot enough, take a little bit of a piece of bread, chuck it in there. If it comes out golden brown, you're there, right? But I mean, you cannot go walkabout while you have obviously this hot oil on your stove. Yeah, and soon it reaches the comfortable temperature of 170, 180 degrees. Turn your heat source a little bit back so it's not continuously heating up. So this is all very, very important sort of aspects when you do anything deep frying. Doesn't matter, even your deep fryer, I wouldn't, if you have a automatic deep fryer, I wouldn't leave this one alone. So this is going up very swiftly, so we're having 130, just give it the other 30 seconds. So okay, so our oil now has 175 degrees. I turned the heat source back, yeah, that's exactly what we want. And now I take my my sort of floured onion rings, and we can put them nicely in the hot oil for around 3-4 minutes, yeah. And then we take sort of a little bit of a spider, as we call that, yeah, and give it a little bit of a, and of course we want to have the nice golden brown, very easy. And then they should come out nice and crunchy. This will be, yeah, probably 2-3 minutes. Okay, so our onion rings, they are now in 170 degrees for around 1.5 minutes, yeah, to 2 minutes. So that's what we want, nice golden brown color. And then we're putting them on a kitchen paper to drain off the excess oil, yeah. And don't forget, turn your heat source completely off, and very important, take your hot oil, hot oil off your flame, yeah. Okay, now we can leave this alone. And ladies and gentlemen, this is one version of my version of a fried onion ring for you next time to enlighten your customers. Thank you very much.